Hello all, welcome to Cloud4Green Technologies. In this video, we will study about different fields of digital marketing. So in previous videos, we have studied about what is digital marketing, why digital marketing is important, what is the future scope of digital marketing, what are the growth statistics of digital marketing in India. So now let us have a look into the different types of digital marketing, or you can say different fields of digital marketing. So the first major one is search engine optimization. And the second one is search engine marketing, then social media marketing, then content writing, then email marketing, then blogging, then affiliate marketing, and then comes digital marketing analytics. So in engine optimization, here we need to bring a website into top of the search engine results page. So search engine optimization is an organic one, means here we need not to give any money. And for the search engine marketing, this is for, like, you can say Google ads, Facebook ads. So these are the paid ones. So the concepts are same in both the cases, but the thing is, for SEO, here you will not pay any money, and in SEM you need to give money. So then is social media marketing, content writing, email marketing, blogging, affiliate marketing, digital marketing analytics. So social media marketing, it has like Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, WhatsApp marketing is there, and then content writing. So here, like, if you have a website, you need to write good content for your website, or you can do some blogging activities. And email marketing, so here you will create the SMS based and email campaigns. And then blogging, so here you will write the topics related to your niche. And then is affiliate marketing, here you will, so in affiliate marketing you will sell other products or the someone else products or services, and on that you will get some commission. So that is called as affiliate marketing. And then digital marketing analytics, so here you will study all the data, like you will do the market research, you will study about customer behavior, you will understand how your customer is behaving. You will understand, like, you will do research on the demographics, like the age, gender. So like here you will do research on markets and the customer behavior. So that's all for now. Thank you.